treat? Oh my god, so exciting! Thank you.
This is my friend Sparky.
Look at his little
He lives
mouth.
with me in my house. He's about 5 years old, which is middle age for a rabbit. He's a Holland mini-lop, that's his breed, and he's wicked cute. And also he loves dried apple rings. They're his favorite thing in the world.
Is that apple ring good? How much do you love apple ring?
So here you can see Sparky eating his favorite snack. Takes him a couple minutes. But then afterwards he licks his mouth to keep himself clean, and that's actually a very rare sight. He doesn't like to stick his tongue out at people, but keep watching and you'll get to see it. It's pretty cute.
Boy. Good bunny. I can hear him eating. It's really cute. Oh no, is it all gone? Good bunny. Good bunny.